Our friends over at YouTube have taken down our last glute of the week video. So this is a little abridged cut of the full Jason glute treatment. If you want to see the full thing, head to our Patreon. The link is in the description.
G'day guys, Aaron from MMT. Peanut Gallery's here, extended version. Yes. We've got the best looking ass in history here, the dolphin skin. Jace, ready to go? Look at the definition on that. See, look at this. As soon as I touch him, just let it go. Let it go. Sit down, mate. Let me have a crack. You're pulling it. Look at him like a possum in a tree at night. He's look at him now. Look at him now. Oh no! Yeah! Oh, this is gonna be good.
This one pushed Maddie off the table last week.
Oh, that's because Maddie's a little bitch. Triple up round, triple up round. Come on, come on. What the fuck is going on here? He always goes above and beyond. He's always there. What happened to the glute of the week? Look at this from the bird's eye view. Put these teeth together. I want some of that. 10 seconds! Oh. Someone's broken the wall.
Put a hole in the plaster.
Done. What the hell just happened?
Done.
And to our regular viewers, do not worry, content is coming back to YouTube as per usual, just finding a way to navigate YouTube's terms and services. Thanks for sticking with us.